Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam's slow disk usage issue. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on your main dashboard, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see the Steam menu option there. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up the settings window where you can adjust various configurations to improve your disk performance. Once the settings window opens, look at the left panel. Here, you'll find different categories of settings. Click on Downloads to access all the options related to how Steam handles your game downloads and updates. This section is crucial for optimizing your disk usage and download speeds. Now, in the Downloads section, look for the option labeled Download Region. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down and select the region that's nearest to your location. Choosing a server closer to you can significantly reduce latency and improve overall download performance, which directly impacts how your disk handles the data being written. After selecting your region, Steam will prompt you to restart to apply these changes. Click Restart Now to proceed. The application will close and reopen automatically, applying your new region settings. Give it a moment to complete this process. Once Steam restarts and you're back in the settings under Downloads, locate the option that says Limit Download Speed. Right beside it, you'll see a toggle switch. Make sure to toggle this off. Disabling the download speed limit allows Steam to use your full bandwidth capacity, which helps your disk write data more efficiently without artificial throttling. Still inside the Downloads section, scroll down until you find the option labeled Clear Download Cache. Right beside it, click the Clear Cache button. This removes temporary files that might be causing bottlenecks in your disk usage. A confirmation dialog will appear asking if you're sure you want to clear the cache. Click Confirm to proceed. This action helps refresh Steam's download system and can resolve many performance-related issues. Next, in the left panel of the settings window, click on Storage. This section manages how Steam organizes and maintains your game library across different drives. In the storage section, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select your local drive that's experiencing the slow disk usage problem. This allows you to perform maintenance specifically on the drive that's having issues. In the right panel, you'll notice a 3 dots icon. Click on it to reveal additional options for that drive. From the menu that appears, select Repair Library. This feature scans your game files and fixes any corrupted or problematic data that might be slowing down your disk performance. The repair process may take a few minutes depending on the size of your library, so be patient while Steam completes the verification and repair. And that's it. You've successfully optimized your Steam settings to fix slow disk usage by adjusting your download region, clearing cache, and repairing your library. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.